Hey guys, it's Tiffany from supereasymath.com. Today's math problem of the day asks, which numbers are real numbers? Well, when we're dealing with real numbers, we want to remember that any number that's like a regular whole number, or even if it's a whole number that's negative, that is a real number. So I'm going to circle all of those to begin with. I have negative 27. That is definitely a real number. And we have the absolute value of negative 6. And if you remember, when you're dealing with absolute value, you're talking about the distance away from a number in relationship to 0. So negative 6 would have an absolute value of 6. Okay, so that is also a real number. And when we're dealing with decimals, decimals are also real numbers. Okay, so 14.25, yep, that's real. The square root of 13, although the square root of 13 is not like a perfect square or anything, it's not really going to come out of there, it is a real number. Okay, pi is also a real number. It doesn't end. If you were to put it in a calculator, it would go on forever and ever and ever, but it is a real number. Now, your I stands for imaginary right there to begin with, so that's the opposite. So real is the opposite of imaginary. Okay, so imaginary numbers are not real. Okay, also your square root of negative 9, that also does not count as a real number. Now let's take a sneak peek at tomorrow's math problem of the day. The problem is x squared minus 3x minus 10. See if you can solve that on your own, and then check back tomorrow to see how I solve it. And don't forget, if you need a live math tutor who you can talk to and ask all the questions you want, head over to supereasymath.com and we'll pair you up with a tutor who's best fit for you.